come along with me.
To the alligator.
Have you ever been here before?
No, it's exciting.
Yeah.
Going in to come here.
What color to get? What color should I choose?
Pink.
Fine. I'm gonna.
I want the pink one. You pick.
Okay. No, I want this one. Yeah, dark purple and light purple. Having a good time. Got my oh no!
Marlene, it's not even close.
So I'm not doing so well. I'm not good at mini golf. It took me like 3 or 4 chances to get one of the golf balls into it, but we're gonna push through. Let's see how I do for the rest of the game. Do you see what that sign says? Baby alligators, let's go and investigate. Look at that. See, they have this. You can pay $5 to feed the alligators, but I passed on that. Look at that. You guys want to come and pet the alligators? So guys, what's your pirate name? Use the first initial from your first name. The second one is use the first initial from your middle name. And the third one is use the first initial from your last name. So mine would be Surly McMonkey Puffy Pants. Well, what is your name, guys? Today I have on this turquoise 90s thrifted blouse that I got for 75 cents, and I love these little buttons on the side, and I also love that this is made of 100% silk. And I got a repeat of these black wide leg pants, and that's my outfit of the day. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. To be rocking my Lotus bag, which I love. I got this many years ago, all leather. I got this on Poshmark for $25. So yeah, I'm gonna do that crossbody and start my day. To the channel members, thank you so much for your support. Shout out to you, and I will see everyone on the next video live stream. This is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger, and I'm out.